Most of us know what a dandelion looks like. It is a yellow flower with green leaves that grows in many parts of the world. Most see it as a weed, but it really is so much more. It is a persistent plant that never appears to leave your yard. They begin popping up in the spring and only stays around for a very short time. This perennial got its name from the jagged edges of the leaves. The French call it dent de lion, which means lion's tooth. There are many health benefits of dandelion. They are highly nutritious and filled with excellent sources of vitamin A, vitamin C, the K vitamins, vitamin E, folate, iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, antioxidants, and other B vitamins. They may also help with inflammation, edema, lowering blood sugar, lowering high cholesterol, decreasing high blood pressure, helping with the liver, including hepatitis and with jaundice, helping with the gallbladder, including gallbladder stones, helping with urinary tract infections, aiding in weight loss, fighting cancer, the leaky gut syndrome, gout, headaches, topically for warts, dissolving kidney stones, helping with digestion, aiding in constipation, boosting the immune system, and helping with skin issues. Besides these medicinal benefits, dandelion is a prebiotic. What is a prebiotic? Well, you have probably heard about probiotics and antibiotics. What is the difference? An antibiotic kills bacteria. A probiotic is the beneficial bacteria. A prebiotic helps nourish the growth of the beneficial bacteria. So dandelion can help probiotics work more efficiently. The flowers, the leaves, the sap, and the root are all edible and medicinal. They are best consumed in the spring while they are young, but can still be eaten later on. They may just become a bit bitter. The flowers can be made into a tea, although the green base of the flowers tend to be a bit bitter themselves. The leaves and stems can be incorporated into a salad, and the roots can be made into a coffee. If you don't like the taste of dandelion, try dandelion's cousin called chicory. It's just as medicinal as dandelion, but has a blue flower. How else can dandelion be used? Do you remember me mentioning the sap? The sap can be made into rubber, believe it or not. Yes, you heard me right. While dandelion isn't the only plant or tree that you can make rubber from, dandelion is one source. There is a white latex substance in dandelions that can be processed. 600 to 1,100 pounds of rubber can be made from just 1 acre. So to sum it up, go outside and pick some dandelion flowers and leaves and dig up some roots. Take what you gather and make it into tinctures or salves or an infusion. So how do you do this? There is a book that I highly recommend that takes you through these steps. I will leave the link in the description. It is called 125 Survival Herbs for Beginners. It shows you how to make teas, poultices, tinctures, and salves. Plus, it goes into depth on many herbs that you can find in your own backyard. Like we have said before, it's always nice to have books on hand to reference, and this one has many herbs inside and how to use them. We here at SHTF, Survival Homestead Teaching Farm, appreciate you watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.